An EM wave is propagating in a medium with a velocity v vector is equals to v cross v dot I vector. The instantaneous oscillation electric field of the EM wave is along y-axis. Then the direction of oscillating magnetic field of the EM wave will be along. So first of all, what is an EM wave? An EM wave is an electromagnetic wave that is created as a result of vibration between an electronic field and a magnetic field. So there are three different directions. First direction, that is along y-axis, second direction, that is along x-axis, and third direction, that is along z-axis. So along with these axes there are three more directions which comes under as negative directions. This is minus y, this is minus x, and there we have minus z. So there are total six directions of an EM wave which can be propagated in a medium. So here we have given that we this is the direction that is equals to v, the simple into a vector. So a vector could have three directions. Now the instantaneous oscillation of an electronic field, that is EM wave, is along y-axis. So currently the oscillation is along y-axis. So it is asking us if then the direction of oscillation magnetic field. If oscillation is along y-axis, then what will be the direction of the magnetic field? So I hope the question is clear to everyone. Let's see how it is along with the magnetic field. So here we can see this. This is the electric field, that is the direction which is equal to the v vector. Thus initially this v equals, we can say that this is this into this. This is the direction of e vector. So we are replacing the value of v vector with these, where j is a vector quantity. So from this we can state that b direction equal to b cross a k. K is constant. So the direction is propagation is along z axis. The first direction of the wave was y axis, and the another direction is gone through z axis. So here we can say that direction is along z axis.